Hey everybody! So today I am making a piece of wall art using some leftover resin. I'm starting out just painting the resin in certain areas. Now I have some decals. These were from a car decal that I had used previously. This was actually leftover trees that were on it. It had a deer, and then I made another piece of wall art with that, and these are the trees that went along with that. So I'm just adding those on there to give it a little background. I have a little bear sticker as well. I believe this was also a car decal. Now I have another tree with a mountainside sticker. This was also part of that same car decal. I've used my Cricut to put in the words bear hugs, and I'm gonna go ahead and varnish that on there. I've decided that I want the background behind the bear to be black as well, since the other trees are black. So I'm just painting behind the decal. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it back on there. Now I have more Elmer's glue, and I just put the Elmer's glue all around the bear. I had some brown static grass, so I am just putting that on there on top of the glue. It's on the bear. And once this was dried, I took it outside and shook it off to get the excess off. So the next day I covered it with clear resin, but I wound up having a couple bubbles, so I did go again the following day and add some more clear resin, and I added a little bit of gold glitter just to kind of cover up those bubbles. After this, I just put 2 hooks on the back so that it could hang on the wall with some UV resin. And here is the final piece. I think it came out great, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.